guys, so this is kind of like a video. Well, it is a video. We're gonna actually clean my room, like spring cleaning kind of a bit, because it needs to be cleaned. And obviously, I need to clean it. So we're gonna do that. So yep, just cleaning up stuff. Like, it needs it so bad. Like, me personally, like, when it becomes more of a mess, it's like, it bothers me. So, you guys are gonna see what I am doing. Right now, the only thing I'm doing is cleaning stuff off the floor. And I'm gonna wash my floors because there's so much dog hair. Like, you know. And then we got dog toys. Izzy's looking at me like, what are you doing? Giving away my toys? No, Izzy, I'm not giving away your toys. Just gonna put them on the bed for now. And honestly, we need to like do this because it's kind of gross. And I want my room to be a good room for her to sleep in. She has so many toys. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna downsize a lot of stuff today. If not, then I'll make a part 2 of this and go from there. If I don't make a part 2, that's okay too, because I'll show you guys my room when it's completely clean. I can't live in a messy room. Back when my brother was living back at home, his room would be so messy with cups and plates. That's not me. Even though we're siblings, like, no. His name is Zach. It's okay to say that. So, yeah. We're gonna do what we have to do to keep my room clean. And also safe for Miss Izzy. We don't want her to, like, you know, not have a room to sleep in. And honestly, it's time to like clean. Look, now you can kind of see my floor. What is this? McDonald's stickers. Here, let's do this. Let's peel them off. I can't live in a messy room. Never could, never have. Now I get it if you're kind of not feeling good and you don't feel like cleaning, you should still kind of make your room look halfway decent. I mean, I have so much stuff that I would like to donate. Like, I used to collect Barbies, and I have a ton of them. And thinking about maybe giving them to families who are trying to make their kid or daughter happy. Or something like that. I don't know. Right now my phone's charging. So if anyone is trying to message me, I'm sorry, my phone's charging. Right now, I'm gonna make sure this room is spotless. I'm starting to have like, the more I get older, the more I know you have to do this to make space. Like, I have so much crap, excuse my language, I don't know if that's a bad word to use. So much stuff. And if I clean this, I'll feel better because it's good to do this for me. It'll make me feel like I'm actually accomplishing something. Here's my fan. Izzy doesn't like that noise. That scared her. I just need to clean. And I will be happy because I need to take better care of my stuff. So yeah, just right now, I'm throwing stuff on the bed. I've been doing that for the past 5 minutes. And what do you know? I found a penny. Alright. So I'll get back to you when everything's on the bed and then so on. So, hold on. Right, so I'm back. I got the broom. I'll just get the best stuff I can do with all this. Spring cleaning. Might as well start now. Look how much dirt that is. That's gross. I should do this once a week. Like sweeping my floors. Like, this is gross, you guys. It's not like super gross, just not. I shouldn't be this careless and keeping my room clean. I'll get back to you when we are putting stuff in a bag for Goodwill for people who need it. I do that a lot. Now it's time to get rid of some stuff that we don't need. So, like this Hello Kitty piggy bank. We don't need that. Wait, there, who cares? Just want to clean my room. You know? And go from there. Like, a clean environment for Izzy and I. So, this is the stuff that can go to Goodwill for those who actually need something, which is okay. Like this pacifier clip, Goodwill. I just feel bad because, like, I got a lot of stuff that I'm grateful for, but other people don't have what we have, and it's sad. It bothers me. Like, I just want to make the world a better place. You know? This is trash. We don't need that. As easy as it may be for some people to, like, downsize, it's always like that attachment thing, like your stuffed animal, or it can be anything. But yeah. Like, it's okay to get rid of stuff, because that's the nicest way to make society a better place. Now, this is my dad's husky, and I'm not getting rid of it, but this box / bin can go to Goodwill. I'm just trying to make my room look better and feel better. Why am I doing this? You guys are asking if I have something better to do, and it's good to clean. I like to clean. We can keep this. My mom got me this. This is like an art thing. I'm not giving it away. I got so many tags, like, keep one, give one to Goodwill. Now let's be realistic here. Who remembers these? That will make one kid happy. got hit in the face with them. We can give this to Goodwill. Let me see what's in here. Doggy stuff. Well, I'm not gonna give up on here. This doggy cage can go. It has my dog in it. Again, like, you know, it's good to donate. It's good to care for people who don't have what we have. And it's kind of sad seeing kids without stuff what we have today. Like I said, I am getting tired. I've been doing this for 10 minutes. Like, this is like a workout, you guys. Now, this is my penguin book bag. And it has food in it. Ew, that's gross. I don't think I need this anymore. It was nice. But yeah, love you guys, and I'll do part 2.